Oh, yeah, g'day. I'm Matt Allen, one of the proud owners of SA Tractors. We're the case dealer for South Australia and the Mildura regions. We're down here at the Wentworth Shire Council at their Baronga waste landfill. Just delivered them a brand new case 821G Waste Spec Wheel Loader. They went out to tender for a new loader, and we basically put in an offer on a new case machine. The specification was to go into their waste site, which is what we're at now. With case, we had the ability to provide them a machine that was factory spec'd as a waste loader. Yeah, the case spec wheel loader stands out compared to the others in the market. I mean, not many of the others do the waste spec from the factory, whereas the case one have the solid tyres, the guarding package, it's all factory fitted. One thing it also does have that differentiates it from the opposition is MIG-mounted cooling package. It's basically a box cool design. There's no stacked radiators in it, so the reverse fan will blow the material out through one cooler, not through a stacked cooling package. So it's very important to have that in this environment.
Hi, I'm Ian Berylson. I'm with the Wentworth Shire Council. I'm the workshop fleet supervisor here. Yes, we've been dealing with the guys at SA Tractors for quite some time, getting a lot of our parts and equipment off of them. So they've been very helpful there in helping us out and getting the right items at the right time and in a good time frame. With the loader, it's got very good visibility around the cabin. Machine as a whole come from the factory with a auto grease system, which is a bonus for us. It's less time the operators need to spend doing their pre-starts on the equipment. So at this point in time, the Shire is running 3 case wheel loaders we've purchased through SA Tractors. The waste handler we've got here, it's got a bit more protection under the machine to protect the vehicle itself from any obstacles getting thrown up. The conditions it works in is from scrap metal to all sorts of rubbish, and items get flung up left, right and centre into screens, auto grease lines. So these are all being protected to prevent all the damage. Where on our normal wheel loaders, all this is still out in the open and not protected as much. So the case loader's got that extra protection on it to make the vehicle more reliable over the period of time we're going to have it. The case loader's a good machine, so it's turned out to be fairly good.